This is Gelt in 1 minute. You may have heard of cryptocurrencies and yield farming, a process where you earn interest on your funds by depositing into smart contracts on the blockchain. But a lot of users don't know where to begin with this, and it can be overwhelming for those of you that are new to the space. Gelt takes the stress out of the process by providing the simplest possible way for you to earn interest on your savings without any blockchain knowledge. All you do is sign up, complete identity verification, and deposit your funds from your bank account. You can then watch your balance grow in real time. Behind the scenes, Gelt deposits your money into smart contracts which generate yield for you in a completely trustless manner where you always own your assets. They also take out insurance on your behalf in order to make sure your assets are protected in case of a smart contract exploit. But you don't need to understand any of this in order to benefit from the far better interest rates than your bank will ever offer. Let us know in the comment section below what you think about Gelt. As always, do your own research and follow us for more.